welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to start investing in stocks. If you've ever thought about investing in the stock market but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today we'll be breaking down everything you need to know to start investing in stocks. Step 1. Understand the stock market. The first step to start investing in stocks is to understand the stock market. The stock market is a collection of markets where publicly traded companies issue and sell their shares to the public. Investing in stocks means buying a portion of ownership in a publicly traded company. Step 2. Determine your investment goals. The next step is to determine your investment goals. Why do you want to invest in stocks? Is it for retirement, wealth creation, or for a specific goal like buying a house? Defining your investment goals will help you determine how much to invest and for how long. Step 3. Choose a broker. Once you've determined your investment goals, you'll need to choose a broker. A broker is a financial institution that facilitates the buying and selling of stocks. When choosing a broker, consider the fees, trading platform, research tools, and customer service. Step 4. Create a trading account. After choosing a broker, you'll need to create a trading account. This account will allow you to buy and sell stocks. You'll need to provide personal and financial information, such as your name, address, Social Security number, and bank account information. Step 5. Research and analyze stocks. Before investing in stocks, it's important to research and analyze the companies you're interested in. Look at their financial statements, earnings reports, and news articles to determine the company's financial health and growth potential. Step 6. Create a diversified portfolio. Creating a diversified portfolio is essential to successful investing. This means investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors and industries. Diversification helps spread risk and reduces the impact of any single stock's performance on your overall portfolio. Step 7. Monitor your investments. Once you've invested in stocks, it's important to monitor your investments. This means tracking the performance of your stocks, staying up to date on news and events that could impact the stock market, and making adjustments to your portfolio as necessary. That concludes our guide on how to start investing in stocks. Remember, investing in the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy for building wealth. Take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And as a reminder, we'll run a giveaway for our subscribers if we reach 10K subscribers by the end of April, so every subscriber counts. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.